Ready to explode your brand with ads people actually want to watch and share. First, tap into what's already hot. Use Google Trends, TikTok's trending sounds, and even Twitter hashtags to find topics people are actively talking about. Think about how your product or service naturally fits into these conversations. Next, ditch the sales pitch and craft a story, relatable narrative that pulls at heartstrings or tickles. A funny bow will always outperform a blatant advertisement. Think about emotional storytelling, humor, and authenticity. Now, make it a two-way street. Ask your audience to participate. Run contests, challenges, or simple Q&As encouraging them to create their own content featuring your brand. Don't forget the call to action. Tell viewers exactly what you want them to do. Whether it's liking, commenting, sharing, or using a specific hashtag, make it super clear and easy to follow. Remember, the goal is authentic engagement, not just views. By creating ads that feel genuine, shareable, and participatory, you're setting the stage for true viral success. Now go create some viral magic.